This is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts, and we're going to go over a bag installment that's going to go on this golf cart here. Fairly simple, not too much to it, but it's like an accessory bag that will, hold all your goodies. Let me go ahead and get started on it, and we'll show you how it works. So basically you're going to have a golf bag attachment similar to this. So the straps, you're just going to unloosen the straps, take those out. And this is the cart carry bag. Zippered, it's real nice, made of good material. It'll have the same similar straps. So it's real simple to install. So where you would put the golf bag strap, you're basically going to put the cart and carry bag. So just kind of slide it in like that, lock it down in place, and then you'll have the other side. You'll do the same to the other side. Basically, you're just going to go in the slot there. If I can get that in there. Yeah, there we go. All right, like that. And you can kind of even it out if you want. Make sure it's even, and then that's it. Basically, you've got a zipper. You do have. What's nice about this is too, you can open it up, put all your stuff in it. Got an inside pocket also, so it's got pretty good material. And what that's nice is if you go somewhere and you're at say an outing, a picnic, or a beach or something like that. You can, you've got all your belongings in there. You can zip that up, and you can take it off real quick, and boom, carry it wherever you need to go.